Good morning. Today we're making Mediterranean scrambled eggs. First we're going to start by spraying our pan with some cooking spray, and then we're going to add finely chopped onions. This is to personal taste. You can add more or less or none at all. Then we're going to add some diced tomato, also to personal taste. And a bunch of baby spinach. And since I only have 3 egg whites each morning, I'm going to add 3 egg whites. If you want to add more or less, it's up to you. And we're going to give it all a mix. You can season to taste if you like, but I'm not going to add any seasoning since I'm going to add feta cheese, and that's going to give it the saltiness. Once our eggs are cooked, we're going to turn off our heat, give it another mix, and add our crumbled feta cheese. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your breakfast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!